Hi guys, good morning. Pa-enroll ko karon sa Assumption. Today is June. Today is June 10. So dapat nung Lunes pa ko kapa-enroll kaso naglinog ba nato nga time. So ayun, delay ang transaction. Hi guys, so balik karon nga tuig 2026-2027 mag second year college na ko. So good luck to me and fighting lang sa journey in college. But I hope na things go well sa kuwang journey here again. Mag second year na. Oh, fighting lang, laban na to ng BEd program. So morning eskwelahan na mo. Charan. Nagsugod na sila ginroon. Before di mo proceed sa enrollment, need pa mag-program admission form para kuhan kasi mong program. And yes, continue Japon ta. CR sa ko guys. Babush. Bahamas. Good luck to me. Guys, good luck to me. So here it is, student clearance and the program admission form. Tabanda magpa-enroll sa registrar. Bye-bye! We are now officially enrolled at Assumption College of Davao. Mag-second year na mi guys, pabuntag. Bye! Kauban ako si Lady Shane. Guys, sumana may ginroll. Palit tagliog dito ka ante kay gimingaw ko. Si Lady Shane.